This video will show you how to use a presentation maker in Clinical Key to add content to a PowerPoint presentation. Note that only images can be added to the presentations. I have already saved some content, so this is a place where I'm going to start the demo. I'll go to my saved content, and the topic I'm looking at is wrist fracture stabilisation. I would advise you to save your content prior to creating the presentation. You can find out how to save content from our other blog entries and videos. You can also add content to presentations from search results and item pages. So here I have 7 items which are all linked to the wrist fracture stabilisation tag. To add the content to my presentation, I can select each item individually. Here's the top one. I can then select the presentation icon over here. You're then presented with a pop-up box where you can give a title to your presentation. So we'll just select the Select Presentation option, create a new presentation. Oops. Wrist fractures presentation, and add that, and then we'll just click Save. You can also select more than one item of content at a time and then use the presentation icon to add them all together. So if I select a few more items over here, then if I go to the top on the right, you can see the presentation icon. Click that. We've already created our presentation, so we can just add it to the one that's there, and then click Save. To view your presentations, go to your account at the top of the page, and then select Presentations from the drop-down list. You can see all the different presentations that I have created. You can select your presentation to see the content that has been added. So here is my wrist fractures presentation. If I click another one, you'll see different images relating to each of those presentations. You can remove content from the presentation by selecting the item and clicking the delete icon. So if I select one of these, I can remove it by using the delete icon. You can also continue to add content to your presentation using the option here. Once you are happy with your selection, then you can export your presentation by clicking the export option over here on the right. This will download a PowerPoint file. You should be able to see it coming up here down at the bottom. We can open this and then you can save it if you want to. So opening the file, you can see that each image is placed on a different slide. The content includes the image as well as its associated description, its reference and the copyright statement. You can now edit your PowerPoint to include the rest of your presentation content.